gold and silver both traded in range but with a slight bullish bias, and specifically gold failed to trade outside the range which I mentioned as the no trade zone, that is 1830 and 1840 levels. It precisely swung in between the same levels. Likewise, silver too has fallen shy of $21 levels. It tried to breach and went till towards 2108 but failed to break past the next level at 2110. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the latest analysis. And twice a day I share the analysis for this as the next video gets uploaded before the US session. So press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now if you look at the hourly charts for gold, yes, it has created the base here at 1830 levels and since then retraced. One possibility that it may try to form a double top here at 1845, and then there is a second possibility that it can try to attempt and achieve the next resistance zone at 1848.50. One thing which is very clear here is a sell entry is only below 1830 levels, and below that also 1825, 1820 levels, 1818, 1820 is the stronger and strongest support for the day. Now if you look at the hourly charts, first of all, look, see, it is trading with higher lows, slight bullish bias. Just eliminate this, and if you see, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Support there at 1838 is seen, then 36 is seen, and with this just couple of dollars move, it is trying to trade bullish, and hence yes, you can buy if you see it trading above 1842 levels. Yes, you can initiate a buy entry, but then you should remember 1845 50 levels are certainly going to be a very strong resistance. Now let's have a further look here, and if you look at the directional movement, stochastic is looking down. Basically the MACD has crossed over and this is trading with very little divergence here, not a bullish indication. Let it diverge more and possibly you can buy there. RSI looking up, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, getting a little resistance there. At the same time, on the 2-hour chart, this is showing a breakout, certainly, which means that once it stays above 1842, we may see 45-50 levels. At the same time, it is trading above the 20-50-100 period moving average. Also remember, now see the Bollinger Bands have narrowed here, which means there should be sharper movement either side such that it can expand. Right now it is trading within a very narrow range. RSI looking up, stochastic looking up, the MACD here again trying to cross over for a bullish move. Right now it is still not crossed over. Also check for the divergence there, and basically it may bring little more bullishness. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, yes, it has to come out of this channel, which means 1845 needs to be breached in order to confirm slight bullishness, and then we'll look forward to 1850 levels specifically. So couple of things which we can note here is that retracement, slightly bullish bias is seen right now, but let's be watchful for 1842 for taking an entry, and a sell entry is only below 1830 levels. And stochastic trying to look upwards, trying to go into overbought zone. The MACD is trading flat without any divergence, and if you look at the waves on MACD, rise, drop, rise, so possibly we will see how it behaves. Right now it is trying to show or trade flat, and if you look at the RSI, this is looking upward, showing a little strength here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, first support here and then this rise, consolidation at 1830, rise, retracement to the same levels, now again a rise. So possibly it may try to either form a double top or a further highs. Stochastic entering into overbought levels, the MACD is trading with very little divergence and in green, and the RSI is looking upwards, showing little strength there too. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first of all, look at the previous candle with a tail with a very small body there, insignificant. Lower highs, higher lows are seen. This candle tried to open flat. And now if you look at, see the 50 period exponential moving average giving it a little resistance, which makes 1842 a little more resistance, and see 1845 levels, multiple candles got the resistance here, and then 1850. This is the 50 period moving average. So 20 period moving average giving it a little resistance, 50 period exponential moving average the next resistance, and hence this zone is going to remain important for gold till 1850 levels. It has got very strong resistance on the upside, and hence one need to be cautious till 1850. Yes, you can buy at 1842. However, remember 1845 first target, and then 1848 50 levels the next target. Only and only if it stays above 1850 we can expect it to trade bullish. At the same time, if you want to sell, if you want to take a sell entry, only sell below 1835 levels. You can sell at 1835, expect 1832-30 zone, very strong support, and if it stays below 1830, further bearishness can be observed, which might take it for 1825, 1818, 20 levels, the next stronger support levels. Below that, anyways, it is going to trade extremely bearish. So sell there at 1835, buy there at 1842, but then be careful for 1845 46, and then 4850 till 1850. Be careful. Beyond that, only little bullishness is confirmed. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. Certainly 2120 is a very good support. I have told you several times. Now if you look at the hourly charts, you can see the support here at 2060. Very strong base is created, then a rise almost 60 cents, then retracement 2080 the next support, which means the next rise could make it or could take it till towards 2140 levels. Now it has created a base here at 2080 and trying to trade bullish from here. At the same time, now the same 2080 levels is going to remain a very good support once again. Below that you can sell, expect 2070, 2060, and then 2040. Only below 2040. Till 2040 it can reverse any point of time, and hence you have to trade strictly with the trailing stop loss, because these levels any point of time it can reverse, shying away from the next milestone, that is 2040 or 2060 levels. It can reverse again on the upside, and hence we have to strictly be watchful in this zone. Now look at the hourly charts, near term hourly. See, right now it is trading bullish here, you can see in this channel, but look at the previous three candles, lower highs are seen. Hence a buy entry is only suggested if you see it trading above 2110, we can see, and then we can expect 2120 and 2140 levels. At the same time, I will recommend you to sell today at 2085 levels, below which you can expect 2075, 2070, and below that further drop might take it for 2060, which is next stronger support there. Now what it may try to do, if it is bearish, form a double top and then drop from there. That is one expectation. Second, if it breaks beyond certainly higher highs, means 2140 can be expected. Stochastic was overbought, looking down. The MACD crossed over, trading with divergence. This is a bullish sign for it, but right now if you look at the candles there, that is stabilized, trying to diminish here. So be watchful. RSI trading flat here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, 2090 very good support, then breakout candle and consolidation. So let it consolidate a bit, breakout beyond 2110, then you can buy at 2110 levels and expect it to rise. In fact, I'll recommend you to sell here at 2090 itself, below which you can expect 2080, 2070, 2060 levels. See, stochastic on the 2-hour charts is overbought, and hence it may either trade sideways. If it is bearish, if it has to drop, it has to cool down the indicators, it may trade sideways and then possibly continue the rise there. Now see the MACD again crossing over, but very little divergence is seen. This means right now we are not showing the strength here. We are not seeing the strength here. Let the candle size increase a bit and then possibly it may show the same. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar phenomena is seen on the 3-hour charts. And I'll be watchful of 2110 levels, beyond which certainly little more bullishness can be confirmed. Stochastic is overbought, and hence cooling on the indicators is required, which means couple of sideways or red candle. MACD has again crossed over and it is trading with slight divergence, slight bullishness. RSI is at comfortable levels, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here is a reversal. It is trying to rise, possibly but the bulls are not very much there. Hence, you have to be watchful of 2110 and 2120 levels. Beyond that, we may see 2140, 2150 levels, the next resistance zone. Stochastic looking up. MACD is trading with slight divergence and it is still in green, which is a good sign for bulls. RSI trying to look upwards. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Now see one very important point on the daily chart. See, this is trying to trade in this channel here. This is a bearish channel. The highs of this channel at 2150 levels, and as I have told you several times, you have to be watchful of 2175, 22. Only and only if these two are breached, then only little bullish confirmation or a reversal confirmation is there. That is the first part. Second part, if you look at the exponential moving average, the 20 period moving average situated at 2150 level, certainly a stronger resistance, and then 2220 levels. If these two levels are taken, then we can confirm it is reversal, but right now it is not. It is very far away from those. It is trying to retrace. Now if you look at the daily chart, see previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows. This candle trying to break out on the upside. That is the first part. Second part, look at the length of the candle there on the previous day, and you can find a very strong tail is there, which means the price tried to the bulls tried to pull the price upwards, and then it is opened with a bullish note trying to achieve higher. But now if it stays below the zone 2090 levels, certainly little more bearishness can be seen. Probably we may see it achieving 2070, 2075 zone, and it can try to either trade higher highs, higher lows. So then 2060, 2120 levels, again this zone I have been telling you for a little while, like for last week also I told you, and this week again, 2060 and 2120 levels, you have to be watchful. These levels are going to be a good no trade zone, basically, where it may try to show you a little swing. Now stochastic looking up today on the daily chart, but look at MACD. This is crossed over trading with very little divergence. Now little divergence means that, see, first of all it was trading bearish. After that, a streak of bearishness for last couple of months or more. You can find out silver has traded extremely bearish, and now after a long while it is trying to cross green. Now this greenery means it can bring you a little reversal, and possibly we have to wait a little till the confirmation of reversal. However, you can buy here at 2110 today. Expect 2120, 2140, the next resistance zone, and if it stays above 2140, we can see little more bullishness, and we can, and now see the crossover is happening here. It may show you a good green candle, good bullish candle, so that it can trade with divergence from here onwards. RSI was also oversold, it has come out, and hence possibly today's candle will decide which direction it wants to take, and I can expect that it may, if it stays above 2120, more bullishness will be seen there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.